Škoda Auto presents the premium version of its all-electric Enyaq SUV. The Laurin and Klement variant adds a new dimension to both body styles. The newest member of the Enyaq family not only boasts top-of-the-line equipment, but also new higher performance motors and optimized battery management. To complement the technical improvements and design elements unique to the highest trim level, the Laurin and Klement version is the first in the Enyaq family to introduce a completely new user interface, which offers simpler and more intuitive control. Another first for the Enyaq series is the battery preheating function, which can adjust the battery temperature in advance to ensure the EV charges under optimal conditions. The Laurin and Klement version includes several specific chrome details and body parts painted in the exclusive platinum grey colour. The Enyaq Laurin and Klement is equipped with full LED matrix headlights at the front and top LED lights at the rear as standard. The crystal face remains the dominant feature. The virtual cockpit and head-up display have also been enhanced with new colours and layouts. The spacious, comfortable interior features leather seats with ventilation and a massage function in both interior design versions. The new Enyaq Laurin and Klement is the highlight of Škoda's popular all-electric SUV range, featuring exceptional equipment, design and cutting-edge technology.